What do you do? What's up? It's your girl Kama, the girl go never be, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another vlog. My face is so dry. I'm about to eat now. I am so late. I had to shower with cold water. Well, not cold, but like warm water, because the guys here, there's only 2 guys that go to school the same time we go to school, and then now there are 3 of us girls. The girls I'm always with, my race mates, we go to the same things. We go to the same school and Rikanaga the same time. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying, but anyway, I bathed with warm water, so that's that. Now I'm just getting ready. Obviously I'm going to school, and after school I just need to go to Pep. I want to go get a key holder and maybe a knife. Yeah, those are just the only things I need, because I was borrowing other people's knives to cut my food, because yesterday was the only time I cooked. And then yeah, those are my plans for the day. Come back, clean my room, because the last time I cleaned it was the day I moved in, which was Sunday. So I'm gonna clean it today. Guys, oh my gosh, yesterday was so wild. So yesterday was Monday, obviously, right? By the time you guys see this video, it's probably Wednesday. So on Monday, I'm sorry, I'm just looking at myself here. So because I'm using my back camera, I can't see myself, so I'm using my mirror. So on Monday, we're writing today. It's Tuesday. We're writing, by the way. We're writing our major module. Like, you can't pass the semester if you don't pass this. Like, what's the point, you know? So I get it, colleges and universities work different, I think. So this module is my major. So if I failed if I fail it, then next year I should just forget. Yabo. So now we're writing a test today. Yeah, major. So I didn't go to school yesterday because I had a doctor's appointment. I had to. So now we get back. When I get back, I'm like, let me take a nap, and then I will study. I take a nap, really. So because various mates went to school, they come back, and then I'm like to them, no, I'm going to take a nap. I start studying, and then I end up going to chill with them. And then what did we do? We went to buy things for when I studied, because I needed energy drink. So we went to buy switches. For when we got back, guys, when I said it was a chill session. Got back, and this is around 4 or 5 now. Guys, we were chilling. Later on, we're doing TikTok videos at night at 8. We're supposed to be studying. We're writing. We studied. Oh yeah, we came back. We studied again until 6. And then at 6:30 we went to cook. So obviously from then we went to cook, we eat, we come back, we're chilling. Guys, it's as if we're not writing. We were chilling, I swear, like, and we keep saying we'll go study within an hour. In an hour comes, someone will come with a conversation. Ning, we are TikToking, Ning, yo guys, we went to study around at, I think I kicked them out of my room. You know, this room, the problem is once we stay in this room, we don't come out. Come in. Yeah. So we chilled, and we only went to study at 12. Imagine. So I slept at like 1. I was just revising, and then I thingied. So then I just did a bit of revision, and then I went to sleep. Then I woke up at 5 for no fucking reason. And then I just went. This room is a problem, let me tell you. You what here? How again? Our sides, This room is warm, ne? It's as if it's a gossip room. We chill here to just gossip. Anyway, I'll see you guys when we finish getting ready. Bye.
On the floor then. Y'all like to talk. On the floor then. All these imaginary smoke. All these we say, she say, you feel me? Let me know. Take it on the floor.
Because none of us studied and nothing is getting in. Like, we're going to write our major, guys. I feel like crying. I don't actually. Like, I feel so calm, but I didn't even study. But you know, it's fine. Let's get it going. That
nigga dig a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami. Looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ready? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches. Where the niggas at? I'm trying to get my coochie scratched.
Kargite Minister of Home Affairs ke panyazali sufi. Na give me it, guys. Ke fate. Yo.
I can't say his name because he be cheap. I love you, baby. Yeah. And I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah. What Suki say, nut on my tits. Pound town, just left Pound town. Where my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dig a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Where my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dig a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out.
Hey yo, Red, my name is Pink. I made him go get that ink. Let him eat that pretty pussy. Now he keep trying to link. I'm pimping Pinky Ring. His ex is a smanky dink. I'm about to pop a thingy, then slip on his drinky drink. Get the grip, with my pussy slip. Nigga with my tip. I'm a flip like 100 grip. Get back on my lip. I'm a Hey? Alright.
I just got home and I'm tired, fucked up. I'm gonna give you guys a haul. Hey, I forgot to buy the key holder. Like, that was the whole reason we were going there. And also I want to clean my room. It's a mess, as you can see. But yeah, let me just show you guys what I got. I got this for the spoons. I'll see how it sits. And then I got knives for like 21 rand. This is 14 rand. And then I got forks. I do not have forks. Yeah, so that's really about it. I'm tired. The test was testing the walk. I walked. But it's not bad because there's 3 of us. You don't feel it, but still it's a walk. And yeah, now let's just get cleaning and then we can make food and chill. Not chill and study, to be honest. We'll chill at night because I see it's better we chill at night and then study during the day, because during the day everyone is in their rooms. At night we all want to chill together, so yeah, let's do that.
2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said, you work on my show, you my Gucci. I had to sing to this bitch like Lil Tusi. Bitch got a backwood on hot nightstands, but be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my wood, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood nut, I got the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, need. Only one she got hit at the spin, I feel a little rich this week, to influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, I need she needs just a Glocky key. We rollin' 60, locked in seats, we rollin' that coupe with a bucket seats. Got it up mud like a football clique, I used to drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need. Stay underneath so we hardly ski. From in New York, how it's funny. Ain't the summer, but I'm stunning. One of these guys wanna love me. That wife, he didn't know love me, love me. X-Tank on her jeans, I know she fucking with others. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat racks and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Breathing. Thumb in a check, bloating demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Damn, gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like.
I'm gonna lie to you, it is so hard to vlog here because first of all, I haven't spoken to the people that live here like that. Just the people, the girls that live here. I'm sure snacks. So, yeah. Kiss close, man. Fuck. What, like today? Oh. Okay, guys, my roommate is here. But anyway, yeah, let me just make food real quick.
Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it?
Mari pizza.
Ai, mình cho nó cả đó.
Cho mi, kaya buhay la, ay kaya kutoy fry, cho mi kaya to ributa ka mate.
Ô, chơi đi chơi. Ô, phải em nằm
Cho mi tell cho la how he nakatwa. Guys, some parts of the vlog are missing because I thought I had added them and I deleted the footage on like my camera roll, but no, clearly not. Well, I did it, right? But then what happened, we don't know what happened after that. So I guess we'll just say that's the end of the vlog, but I ended up studying. So it wasn't anything deep, I was just studying and then that was the end of the vlog. So I don't know. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Apa, cerita with the M.
that what hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me.